Hello everyone, welcome back to V for Birding. This is Bharatpur Birding Part 2. And in this video, I will show you some of the birds in a breeding ground outside of the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary and some birds we saw inside the sanctuary. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. The main goal of this trip was to catch some birds doing some unusual behaviors or breeding behaviors that they might normally not do unless on a breeding ground. A lot of you may be wondering why the great egret's bill is surrounded by green. This is a way to attract mates. In this video, two little egrets fight for the glory of attention from the females. The way you can tell these little egrets apart from the great egrets is that they have a yellow lore, which is the part between the eye and the bill, or the lore can also be kind of reddish, and they are slightly smaller in terms of size. After the breeding ground, we went to the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary to see some more cool birds. On the second day in the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, we saw a great variety of birds, such as ducks, songbirds, and woodpeckers. This Indian white-eye is drying itself off from a bath it just had. The cotton pygmy goose is actually among the perching ducks, despite its name. It is not actually a goose, but it is a duck. And it is actually among the most smallest ducks in the world. The black crown in this heron is not visible because it is a juvenile. A cool fact about the yellow-footed green pigeon is that it is the state bird of Maharashtra, India. The male of the knob-billed duck has a fleshy knob on its bill, which is used to attract females and intimidate rivals. Despite its name, the yellow-crowned woodpecker's male has a red crown. Its female has a yellow crown. Another thing that is good about the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is that you can find other forms of wildlife and not just birds. Another example of this is this jackal. And then of course, there's the monkeys. That sums it up for today's video, and see you guys next time on my channel V for Birding. If you like my content, come back for more on my channel. Bye bye!